Has your wife or girlfriend's interest in sex gone from like wanting to eat something like this to wanting to eat something like this? Then she might have something called hypoactive sexual desire disorder. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to help improve your wife or girlfriend's interest in sex. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Robert Chan, a urologist practicing in California. On this channel, I help guys improve their sex and relationship lives by sharing medical strategies that help overcome sexual health issues. If you're interested in this type of content, please subscribe to my channel below. So what is hypoactive sexual desire disorder? It's a chronic lack of sexual desire that causes personal distress. The cause is unfortunately usually hard to pinpoint. So step 1, rule out medical causes. There are medical issues that can lead to a decreased interest in sex, such as diabetes, some psychiatric issues like anxiety or depression, and then finally, hormonal imbalances, especially in postmenopausal women. As women age, they produce less estrogen and testosterone. One of the impacts of that is that there's usually less interest in sex. And then replacing the testosterone can often bump up that interest then. I remember one of the professors in college was transitioning from female to male. And one of the interesting comments they made was that when they started on testosterone therapy, they started to think about sex like all the time. Testosterone therapy for women, it's currently only recommended for postmenopausal women, not premenopausal women. And the physiologic levels that we try to get it to are to the levels that women were at pre-menopause. One of the questions that guys often ask me about testosterone replacement in women is my wife or girlfriend going to start growing facial hair or a penis? The answer to that is no. Step 2, take medications. In recent years, there's been 2 different medications that have been FDA approved for hypoactive sexual desire disorder. The names of these are flibanserin and bremelanotide. The first one is a drug that works on 3 neurotransmitters in the brain. Dopamine and norepinephrine, these promote feelings of sexual activity, and then serotonin actually inhibits sexual desire. The way that this medicine works is it kind of balances these 3 neurotransmitters out so that overall it helps promote sexual desire. Now let's talk about the second medicine, bremelanotide. The mechanism of action of this is unknown. So basically they don't actually know how it works. This medication is given as an injection 45 minutes before intercourse. Now I don't know about you, but my gut feeling is that if a woman already is not that interested in sex, they are probably gonna have even less interest in giving them an injection. Tell me what you think down in the comment section below. Finally, step 3, rule out relationship issues. It may just be that your wife or girlfriend might actually be interested in sex. They just may not like you, and that this is more of a relationship issue. One of the fixes that I would recommend is check out this book, The 5 Love Languages. In this book, it talks about how people speak to each other and receive love in 5 different ways: quality time, acts of service, touch, words of encouragement, and gifts. Everybody is different, and you and your spouse may not speak and receive love the same way, in the same language. It's like the analogy of somebody who speaks English and their spouse is speaking Chinese. They just don't connect. One of the things that I often ask my wife is, how is your love tank? If it's empty, then that's a clue to tell me that I need to do more things that speak in her love language so that she feels better. When a woman's love tank is full, they're probably more likely to want to express sexual desire. There you go. There's 3 ways to help improve your wife or girlfriend's sex drive. Now, if you've got some issues of your own and some sexual dysfunction issues, please check out some of my other videos down in the playlist section below. Well, thanks for watching and have an awesome day.